Might as well wash this dash off too, since I'm going to be cleaning off the top of this car here. Alright, so I got all the seats washed out again. Hopefully they're clean this time. This is the one that was the dirtiest, so hopefully this one's clean, because I'm not washing it again. I got the glove box all rinsed out of all the mold, and I got both dashes rinsed off, and hopefully by tomorrow they're all dried out. Oh, gotta open up this. I'm gonna go ahead and install these seats real quick, and continue cleaning off the roof of this thing so I can drive it.
Day 2.
What is happening? Welcome back to the channel. I'm just filming this little intro video because I don't know where I left off. I'm going to be getting to work on the interior here tonight finally. So I'm going to be popping out this Recaro, cleaning up the floor there, and then throwing the carpet in, and knocking out the climate control stuff. It's going to be easier on the knees and the legs and stuff if I have some carpet in there, so I'm going to go ahead and get that done. I'm going to do one of these things again. Boom! Just like that. I got my carpet back in, got the front seat and the rear bench put back in. I still have to clean the top part of the bench, and I think I might switch back the big piece right there for the other one that has a cigarette burn, because like they are faded differently. You can tell the one on the right is way lighter than the one on the left, so I might just oh no, I gotta switch out the left one then, because the rest of the stuff matches that, it looks like. But yeah, anyways, yep, it took a little while, but I'm glad I got it done. I'm gonna be throwing in the climate control stuff. Hopefully that's not too big of a pain. It's just looks like a few bolts over there, and then getting it hooked back up in the center. And then I think I'll wait till tomorrow to focus on the dash, because I'm not sure if I have to wash the dash still. It looked kind of, I don't know, like it looked like it had some like white like film on it from maybe not rinsing it off enough. I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna get to work on that. Quick flex. Alright, I finally got to something worth sharing. When you get to this point in putting your car back together, you're gonna want to get a wire going through the firewall to attach to your heater valve wire thing right there. It's got a little hook in it, a little circle. So then that way you're not fishing for it. I don't even know how you would do it. This is the only way you could do it probably. So little for real time tip for it here. Just like that. And now I can slide the climate control and the heater core into the firewall, and that's going to support it enough for me to get some of this stuff bolted back on. And just like that, got the wire pulled through. Alright, got this all installed, got this wrapped up with some duct tape just so it would seal up. Just got to get the blower on there, and then I think I'll be good to wrap up the rest of the interior here. It's pretty straightforward. There's just two bolts, I think, just the 10 right there and a 10 right here. And then, as I mentioned, if you need to, just wrap up your ducting with duct tape. Oh, and one more thing, it's probably best to just remove both of these little arms here. You can't remove this one completely without removing like a whole bunch of bolts, but if you remove this side and you can unbolt this side, it'll give you enough swing, and you can loosen these up a little bit too to give you a little more extra play. That way you can slide this thing in and out without it being too much out of angle. So the last line that you're gonna have to connect is gonna be this one that goes to the blower here, and I'll show you how to do that in a second. It's got this locking tab down here. It's pretty straightforward. It's the only place you can get it. But yeah, I'm not sure if I have to remove that bracket right there. It doesn't look like I did the first time, so I'm going to see if I can just kind of wiggle it around and see where it'll fit. Almost forgot about this piece. This is AC delete deal, and if you get rid of your air conditioning, you gotta run this. I think I got this from CRX Dude, so shout out to you. So when you're installing this centerpiece right here, it can be really hard to fit it in between here, but what you do is you lift it up from the bottom, and then you hook in on the back side here. There's some hooks here, and you just kind of roll it up like that, and then voila, it just kind of lifts up into its spot. You also want to make sure that you have this blue wire on top over here. It goes up like that, and then you want the two black ones on the bottom there. So you can see it right there, that hinge right there, and it kind of does the same thing on that end. It lifts right up, and then you're pretty much done. All right. Everything works. Everything's plugged in. I have a AC. This is the green plug is the AC. The small two prong one obviously goes to there, and the 4 or 6 or whatever that is, prong one goes right there. And now my car is ready to have the dash put in, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and get this done tonight. You guys feeling pretty good? It's like 3:30 in the morning, probably 4, but I'm gonna knock it out. And of course, do not forget to re-hook up your line there for the heater valve. Now, once my interior is done, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the heater, get rid of these lines that I have down here and over here with the block off pieces or whatever, and make sure that my heater's gonna work and nothing leaks, and then that's pretty much gonna do it for the build for now, until I get a yobby yob and I can afford to get a new drive shaft made, or short end anyways. But yeah, I think this is a good spot to leave the video because I do not know what I've recorded over the last couple days, so I'm just gonna end it here and start fresh tomorrow and knock out both the interiors finally. Alright, so that's going to do it for this video, you guys. I have the climate control set up all installed back in. Kind of just reorganizing the wiring. Remembering what plugs go to what. Trying to map them out properly and whatnot. Because it has been a cool minute. But yeah, so that's going to do it for this video, you guys. I'm pretty stoked. I'm going to get the dash put in this car tomorrow, and then that's going to wrap up the interior in here for now. And hopefully I can knock out the other car's interior as well. But yeah, that's going to do it, folks. Peace out.